Hey guys, it's Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and today Amanda Herring is talking about her Friendship Quilt Along, and right now she's going to show you how to make this so cute block called Honest. So let's get started.
Let's get started making the Honest block. To make this block, you're really just going to need your fabric and your cutting tools. First thing you're going to want to do is cut out the shapes as indicated on the pattern. We've got 3 sizes of squares. Our largest square, our next size square, and our smallest square. We're going to take this square and we're going to cut it into quarters on the diagonal to give us 4 triangles. We're going to do the same thing with our smallest square, just by cutting corner to corner to give us 4 more triangles. These are all of the pieces that we're going to need to make our block. I'm just going to walk you through how you're going to lay this block out and sew it together. The first thing you're going to do is take one of your squares, one of your cute colorful squares, and you're going to take 2 of the larger triangles. So these are going to sew together. You might notice that you've got a lot of extra here, and that's just fine. Line up your straight bottom sides and sew here. And I like to use a scant 1/4 of an inch on these. That is going to sew up to look like this. And you're going to make 2 of those. The next thing we're going to do is take these 3 remaining squares. We're going to sew them together in a row, and we're going to add the smaller triangles on each end. Again, don't worry about this extra that's hanging over the end. That's not a problem. But do make sure when you line this up that you're lining up this point with the center line of the block. Once you sew those together, it's going to look like this. I've trimmed off my little corners here just to make my row a little bit neater. Now we've got 3 pieces, and we have 2 extra triangles left over at the end. This is how we're going to finish our block, by sewing these together in rows. First this triangle to this block, this row to this row, this row to this row, and then finally your last triangle. That's going to give you the finished Honest block. You're just going to want to trim it down to 6.5 by 6.5, and it's ready to go in your quilt. Be sure to check out the other videos about the Friendship Quilt Along that are on Fat Quarter Shop. Thanks so much.